Now, second experiment by Hershey and Chase. Okay, so in the second experiment, they selected a bacteriophage in which DNA was labeled with a radioactive isotope. Non-labeled protein. Protein coat or capsule. Protein without RAI means radioactive isotope. RAI, simple I'm using. Radioactive isotope. Protein without radioactive isotope. But what about the DNA molecule? Double-stranded linear DNA molecule. The DNA molecule. DNA molecule labeled, protein non-labeled. DNA labeled with 32 P radioactive isotope. Okay, so overall, bacteriophage is with radioactivity, but here radioactivity is present in DNA molecule, but not in protein. In the first experiment, protein with radioactivity, but not a DNA molecule. Here DNA with a radioactive isotope, but not a protein. So protein non-labeled, DNA labeled for identification only. Okay, same process. So first one is a infection. Attachment of bacteriophage with concerned bacterial cells. So viral DNA. Viral DNA. So given one is infection, same process. Okay, so take this one. First one, infection. You can use a number of steps present in under the heading viruses. In viruses, you studied a lytic and lysogenic cycle. Please go back to multiplication in viruses. With the help of that, you can learn this one. Otherwise, you can't understand this one. Okay, so because of infection, the viral DNA penetrated into bacterial cell. Ghost is outside, protein coat. Only protein. Protein of virus, the DNA. DNA of viruses. Virus is a bacterial cell. Infected bacterial cell. Okay, right? So now replication of a number of viral DNA molecules. Viral DNA molecules. So now host cell is forced to synthesize components of bacteriophage. Now inside that bacterial cell, a number of bacteriophage produced. Okay, so bacteriophage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many. These are the bacteriophages with DNA. Red color means labeled with radioactivity. So this one is ghost part, non-labeled one. Okay, so after infection, second technique is blending. Blending means separation. with the help of a separating machine, that is a blender technique. Separation of ghost from the bacterial cell. Ghost separated, protein part. Ghost means here protein part. Okay. Next, third step is a centrifugation. Here I'm using centrifugation. Supernatant means uppermost liquid part. So in this supernatant, uppermost liquid part, no radioactive isotope, RAI, radioactive isotope in supernatant. Uppermost liquid part. Now, separation of or isolation of viral particles. Okay. And subjected to all these viral particles subjected to centrifugation. So in that centrifugation, in the test tube, what they traced out, 32 phosphorus. Okay, see, in this bacteriophage, DNA was labeled, but not the protein. So after replication, a number of viral particles produced. Okay, right? So the bacteriophage, which is having radioactivity in the DNA, produced viral particles having radioactivity. Notice this point, please. Okay, so what about first experiment one? In experiment one, first experiment, in that bacteriophage, protein was labeled, DNA was non-labeled. So in the first experiment, bacteriophage was labeled with radioactive isotope in protein. Okay, so a bacteriophage with radioactivity in protein didn't produce the bacteriophages with radioactivity. But what about here? In the second experiment, bacteriophage with radioactivity in the DNA produced a number of viral particles, bacteriophages with radioactivity. Okay, so according to this experiment, the confirmation was, what about out of a protein and DNA, which one was injected into bacterial cell? DNA. So finally, they confirmed that DNA as the genetic material. Final judgment. Unequivocal. Final. Furtherly, no question. Final judgment. Okay. Right. So that is about unequivocal demonstration that the DNA was the genetic material in the Griffith experiment in most of the organisms. Okay. Right. Bye. See you.